special edition Sicilian pasta, Almond. Guys, we have nice balance. The sweetness from the toasted almond flakes, freshness from lemon taste, and the saltiness from all the other ingredients. Mamma mia! Amazing! It's like my idea, something I wanted to bring here, like my vision of Sicily in this dish. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and I will leave here a link for another pasta recipe, guys. And if you have any questions, please write in the comments below and leave feedback. Also, I will leave here the link for the subscription if you would like to support my channel and encourage me for making more Italian pasta recipes or alternative pasta ideas, guys. You are in the right channel. Thanks for your time. Ci vedremo alla prossima. Ciao a tutti.